today I'm back with another new video, and I'm doing another eye makeup tutorial. I haven't done eye makeup tutorial in a while now, so I'm gonna be doing it today. I recently just got this Urban Decay Beached eyeshadow palette from Debenhams. I have tried this before, I've swatched it as well, and I've used it once already. So I love the colors and I love the packaging. It has that summer vibe. This opens up this way. There's a mirror here, and these are the colors. Really like it. Cute! Look how pigmented it is. Let's start with the eye makeup tutorial. I'm gonna zoom you in. There we go. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply this NYX eye base, and this is in the shade of white, and I'm just gonna apply that onto my eyelids. That's the amount of eye base I'm putting on, and I'm just gonna spread that all over my eyelid. This first brush that I'm gonna be using is the Crown brush, and I'm gonna take this color first. I'm going to use this color first as a transition color, and I'm going to apply that onto my crease like so. I'm just roughly applying that onto my crease and blending it out. And then I'm going to take a blank canvas brush that looks like this, and it is the E01 brush. And I'm going to use this to blend out the outer part of this eyeshadow, like so that it's not harsh. And then I'm going to drag the same color down to the outer thirds of my eyes. There we go. And then I'm going to take a pack on brush like this. I'm going to apply this color all over my eyelid right there. See, this is such a pigmented eyeshadow that I don't even need to cut my crease with a concealer. So I'm just gonna create a half moon, making sure the cut is above my natural cut crease. I'm just gonna keep adding more color so it looks super electric. And then taking the same brush, I'm gonna take the shade Plunge, and I'm gonna apply that on the outer part of this half moon like that. I'm gonna take that color down here onto only the outer part of my eye, and I'm gonna take this color Wedged, and I'm gonna apply that on the outer part here. This is a way to create more depth on my eyes. Then I'm going to take a clean blending brush. I'm going to blend the edges of this eyeshadow. And then I'm going to take this same color again. I'm going to apply that on top of the brown. I'm going to like drag the color down to the center like so. And then I'm going to blend the edges, blending it with my finger. Gonna add more of that Plunge again, and then I'm gonna take that same double dip color, and I'm gonna apply that right in the middle of the bottom of my eyes like so. And then I'm taking this new brush called a blank canvas E07, and it's like this really tiny brush, and I'm going to take Salt and Blaze, and I'm going to put that to highlight that part of my eye, and then I'm going to apply Blaze onto the center of my eyes as well using the same brush, just kind of like dabbing it like that, just to create a little bit of halo in the middle of my eyes, just to make it look like it's popping. Actually, it's better to use your fingers. It looks so much better. That. I'm just applying 16th Street, applying more of that on the outer part of that blue, and then I'm going to add that onto the half of my lower lash line. I'm going to take Salt again with this brush, and I'm just going to apply that onto my brow bone. I look like I've been punched. And then I'm going to use the shade Heat Wave. I'm going to use that as an eyeliner. Yeah, I'm gonna bring that down onto my lash line. I'm gonna take this brown eyeliner from Kat Von D, and I'm gonna create a very skinny wing liner just to define my eyes more. Just very, very skinny because I don't want to hide that color. And then I'm gonna curl my lashes, apply mascara, and apply my false lashes, and I'm gonna do the rest of my eye. So I'll be back to you. So I have my eye makeup finished. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of highlighter because I got a new highlighter from Tarte Cosmetics. I really like it. This is the colors from Tarte Cosmetics. Love, 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 love it. I really love it. I'm just gonna add a little bit here. Actually, the more the better. The nose as well. And then the part, my chin and my eyebrows here. Actually, I'm gonna add some highlighter in my inner corners. Oh, gorgeous. And I'm gonna apply some lip gloss. And just lip gloss in the middle, just to add a bit of shine. And this is from Fenty.